Hey there. If you haven't heard yet, researchers at the University of Bonn, Portsmouth, and Seoul took a second look at data from the James Webb Telescope related to a topic of debate known as the bullet cluster. They found that there's actually more stars and black holes than previously thought. This is especially ironic since articles I read had proponents of dark matter say that it definitely wasn't due to black holes. However, this new data can account for most of the gravitational lensing effects that people believe to be proof of dark matter. So, yeah, bad math, counterintuitive logic, and no credible people doing proper peer reviews is why people believe in dark matter. The media is largely to blame for this as well. They lie to you for money and content, or the best researchers are doing 180s and go from physics to creationist logic whenever they encounter a problem they can't explain, like the Big Bang Theory, which was thought up by a Catholic priest. The ones who do know better don't get enough publicity. Often we're not even provided their data or actual images. Just trust me, bro. And this is why they easily get away with using inaccurate illustrations and animations, which are typically based on estimations and insufficient technology with unknown variables. They do not want opposing ideas. The general public will blindly believe them and defend them. In this scenario, our understanding only advances when technology advances. It saddens me to read about astronomers that are being reported on get quoted saying, "Yeah, I discovered this galaxy and I only got popular because people said it had something to do with dark matter. So that's all I'm going to say in this article." I'm not going to tell you that it's actually just an object with mass that produces or reflects light, and therefore it's not dark matter. Gravity and mass bends light, not dark matter. Duh. I've been saying this stuff for years. I'm not sure what's taken everybody else so long. Anyways, this one guy likes critiquing others, so I thought I'd do the same. T. Foles is a nuclear engineer, apparently, and in one of his videos he said that he believes that the universe is made of an ether and that space and dark matter are pushing things apart. He also believes that the end of the universe will be black holes that simply evaporate into nothing. How does he not know that energy cannot be created or destroyed? It can only be transferred. That's the basis of physics. If all the black holes at the end of time evaporated, all that energy would expand until it recreated the universe, and we would be at the beginning of the universe, not the end. There is no dark matter, and the universe is not expanding. It is contracting into black holes, and then the cycle repeats, which is why the universe is much older than 14 billion years. So don't feel too bad about yourself, I guess, because it seems like the best and brightest researchers on Earth only have a little more than 100 IQ. If their IQ level is over 100, then which number am I over? I think I've said enough for now. Goodbye.